For influencer marketing, you can explore, we utilize Kajabi with our own platform that I created the platform, as far as how we structure the influencer marketing, the automation. Then we are also on Perlu, we are also on Blogger Bridge, and then I also use People Map to get data as well. So for those of you that are not yet in the mastermind, I'm including the links, I'm including things below. However, if you would love to create it, you would love to get hands-on experience, you would love to see the actual different things in action, and I'll include some sneak peeks, but if you want deeper dive with creating it hands-on with our online courses and or our live events, whether it's the Creation Club online monthly, whether it's the Lifestyle Brand course, or our live events, or the retreats, we do everything hands-on. Meaning you don't just show up to the event to get inspired. No, no, no. We are taking action. So at events, you're practicing videos. At events, you're getting hands-on with Canva. At events, you're doing and creating your freebie. At events, you're filming a video. So you walk away with knowing, not only being inspired, but knowing exactly what to do, how to do it, and depending on, you know, how quick you take action at the event, you'll walk away with your freebie done, your course done, your videos done, whatever it is for you, and the next step for you to create a life and a business you love.